Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn how we can fix a wide neckline if by mistake you make it wide, or if you have adult size dress and you want it for your princess. First cut all the extra neckline, and now I'm taking a piece of fabric and stitch around my neckline. You can take the same color or contrast according to your design. And now I just stitch all the way, and you can see from the one side is just open like this way. Make sure that you stitch it again from here also to close this part. And basically we need all around this neckline. And now we will turn it like this way, something like this, and stitch all the way. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. So here, as you can see, I just leave almost 2 inches open and press it properly first. And now I'm gonna insert a elastic. My elastic length is almost 15 inches, but you can adjust according to your desired neckline. You can insert this elastic with the help of a pin, and now just insert all the way. Adjust it according to your desired neckline depth, and now stitch this elastic from here with the machine. And now just close this edge again with the stitching machine. Now let's look this design on our dummy, how it looks, and you can see how easily we just cover our this mistake, or you can make a adult size dress for a small baby. Thank you for watching.